Hello everyone. Today we are going to do this trigonometric integration question. The question says I equals integration from 0 to pi by 2 sin x to the power m upon sin x to the power m plus cos x to the power m dx. So this is the question. First we write the formulas which I used here. Okay. So sin 90 minus x equals cos x. Okay. Second formula, cos 90 minus x equals sin x. Third formula is definite integration formula. That is the property. Okay, integration from a to b f of x dx equals integration from a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. Okay, so now we will do the question. Okay, I equals integration from 0 to pi by 2 sin x to the power m dx upon sin x to the power m plus cos x to the power m. Okay, so we will apply this third formula first. Okay, so I equals 0 to pi by 2 sin 0 plus pi by 2 minus x to the power m dx upon sin plus cos 0 plus pi by 2. Okay, so now this 0 plus pi by 2 is pi by 2 only. Okay, I equals 0 to pi by 2 sin 90, or we can write pi by 2 only as it is, to the power m upon to the power m plus sin to the power m. Okay, now here comes something we have to use the formula. This one, formula 1, formula 2. See, sin 90 minus x is cos x and cos 90 minus x is sin x. Okay, so sin 90 minus x to the power m is cos x to the power m dx. Okay, upon this is sin x to the power m, and this is cos x to the power m. Now this is the new value of I. Okay, this is the new value of I. Previously I was this, I was this, here was sin. Okay, now here is cos. Okay, let us assume this equation as b and this equation as a. Okay, this equation is a and this equation is b. Okay, now adding okay, so I plus I equals integration of, first we write equation a, which is this, and then equation b, and then equation b. Okay, equation b has cos in numerator and equation has sin in numerator, both denominators are same. Okay, so sin x to the power m upon sin x to the power m plus cos x to the power m, okay, plus 0 to pi by 2 cos x to the power m upon sin x to the power m. Okay, numerator are same. See, numerator are same. We will add it directly, no issue. Okay, so I plus I, same value, 2i equals 0 to pi by 2. Okay, limits are the same. This integrations we will add now. Okay, sin, sorry, sin x to the power m plus cos x to the power m dx. Okay, like this, and we will write this only as different denominator is common, and this numerator and denominator will be same here also. That's why this integration will be easy. Otherwise, it would be difficult if this part formula has not been used. This third formula. Okay. So now see, this numerator, this denominator, all same, cancelled. Okay, cancelled. Okay. So we will write on next page 2i equals integration of 0 to pi by 2 dx. Okay, nothing is left, only 1 is left. One time, one time. Okay, so I equals half integration from 0 to pi by 2 1 dot dx. We can write like this also. Okay, so I equals half integration of 1 is x only. Okay, from 0 to pi by 2, which will come I equals half pi by 2 minus 0. Okay, so I equals pi by 4. This is the answer. Okay, okay, this is the answer. So I'm writing here also I equals pi by 4. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe and share it. Okay, and this solution PDF is also given in the description below. Okay, so if you want it, you can click the link and download it. Okay, so thank you very much. Goodbye.